You're listening to Wholesaling Inc., episode number 1407.
Hey guys, well, guess what? She just texted me back 5 minutes later, and she said, you can join this Zoom on Easy Street to search off-market properties tomorrow. She sent me like 5 different links. This is amazing, guys. This is so easy.
You reach out and you have a conversation and you ask for help and you have enthusiasm and you tell them that you want to do business with them, and they will open up the gates for you. They'll let you have all of these tools for free.
This is game-changing information guaranteed to raise your real estate wholesaling business with actionable steps you can take immediately to navigate the ins and outs of wholesaling and start making money today. Join us as we put our guests in the hot seat and dive deep to dissect their strategies for success to enable you to duplicate their results. You're listening to Wholesaling Inc., the only show dedicated to making you a fortune in wholesaling.
Welcome, I am Brent Daniels, Mr. TTP, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to have a conversation with a title company to get your foreclosure list for free. Not only that, but they will send you as many motivated seller lists into your inbox, into your email every single day, week, month. It just depends on which list they're sending you. But don't take my word for it, because I can certainly call up my title company and they're going to bend over backwards. They're going to do whatever they can to make sure that they maintain my business. But what I want to do here is I'm going to bring Luke, who's never done a real estate deal in his life. He's never talked to a title company in his life. I'm going to have him call a title company and see if he can get the same resources as I can. Check this out.
Thank you for choosing Pioneer Title. This is Allie. How can I help you?
Hi, Allie. I'm trying to get a hold of Dina.
Certainly, may I tell who's calling?
Brent Daniels.
Brent, just a moment, please.
Thank you.
The Brent Daniels?
Come on, Dina.
What's up?
How are you?
I am good now that you called. What's going on?
Do you have some motivated property lists that you can send to me?
I'm sure we can.
Can I get a pre-foreclosure list?
Mm-hmm. Would you want, like, I think they can break it down by vacant and non-vacant.
Sure.
That would help, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So you can give me vacant pre-foreclosures?
Pretty sure. I'm almost 100% sure, but I'm going to run it past Derek. Where are you at? Can I call you back as soon as I can get his attention?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's your number, love?
1-800-HOT-BOYS with a Z.
Oh, yeah. I got an argument over you the other day.
I heard about that.
But,
Let me give you my number. 480.
all right, I'm on it, love.
Okay.
Thanks, love.
All right, see ya. Hey, buddy.
What is not the most popular, or the ones that would be the really the best? So we have obviously the pre-foreclosure notice to trustee sale list. That's pretty common.
Yep.
But then we have the mortgage lates. That's only reported to the credit bureau, so it's before they would go to foreclosure. Right?
Yeah.
Before they go to foreclosure, so we call them our 30, 60, 90-day mortgage late lists.
Yep.
We have those, and then I have another list I've worked with some wholesalers on that I kind of put together earlier over the years, which is, high potential of deferred maintenance. And it's basically we put in certain criteria that will increase the likelihood that there's either deferred maintenance or the property needs like updating.
Sure.
And so that's a list that we can do.
Hi, this is Alex.
Hi, Alex. My name is Luke Mariner, and I'm a new investor for wholesale real estate. And I was looking if you had any lists to give me.
I do if you're going to be sending your transactions over.
Yeah, I will. 100%.
Okay. Are you in Arizona?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Are you also looking for off-market properties?
Yep.
Okay. What I can do is I can set you up with this platform called Easy Street.
Awesome.
So you can search off-market properties through them.
Okay.
Just make sure. What I'll do too, you could text me your email address.
Yep, totally.
Send me all your information just in text. So I have that, and then I will refer you to that platform.
Awesome.
And then you can also put my escrow officer, which I'll set you up with Lauren Reynolds.
Amazing.
Wholesalers. So, and then if you'd like, I can put you on the daily list for foreclosures.
I need all of it.
Okay.
Do you have any pre-foreclosure lists at all?
We have a foreclosure list.
Okay.
A daily list.
Awesome.
And so I can add you to that, and then you'll start receiving that daily.
Awesome. Yeah, I will send you all my information here in a second.
Okay, and then I'll do an intro with Lauren Reynolds so that you have her information for contracts, and also if you have any questions on transactions
Totally.
and stuff and how that works, you can reach out to her.
Totally. I appreciate your time.
No problem. It's Luke, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thanks, Luke.
Thanks, Alex. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
That was your first call. That's the first call on this list that he called. She's going to set him up with a whole platform for going after motivated sellers.
It's easy. It's easy, guys. Come on.
Were you nervous?
Yeah, I was nervous, but I mean, it's a conversation.
Right. Right. So, I mean, guys, the title company is set up to help you succeed. And I'm telling you, this is the first, all I did was literally Google. I'm going to tell you what I Googled. Investor Services Title Company, Arizona. That's all I did. There's an investor-friendly title company directory at investorfriendlytitlecompanies.com. Investorfriendlytitlecompanies.com. And they have a bunch of states in here that you can reach out and find this. And then all of a sudden you get those lists for free.
Yep.
And you start building those relationships,
Yep.
right?
100%.
And she's going to set you up on a platform called Easy Street or something, which I believe is kind of like a prop stream type of setup.
That's amazing.
So guys, you could do this with no budget, absolutely no budget. Now the interesting thing is once he gets set up with this, we'll make sure to show you what exactly it is.
Hey guys, well, guess what? She just texted me back 5 minutes later and she said, you can join this Zoom on Easy Street to search off market properties tomorrow. She sent me like 5 different links. This is amazing, guys. This is so easy.
You reach out and you have a conversation and you ask for help and you have enthusiasm and you tell them that you want to do business with them and they will open up the gates for you. They'll let you have all of these tools for free. So stop messing around. It's absolutely exciting. Now, this is one part. The second part is flipfinder.ai because there's going to be information in there. It's going to be a little bit slower. It's not going to be as accurate. It truly isn't. It's not going to be as accurate. But flipfinder.ai, you get a 7-day free trial and you can pull out 20,000 records just in that 7-day trial. But I highly suggest that you use it as a tool for comping, for pulling very specialized lists, and most specifically to pull the AI list. This is going back 40 years of property data. They look at the characteristics of the properties that have sold to cash buyers and flipped and or put on the rental market. And they look at all those properties, and then they look at the characteristics of the property owner of those properties, and they smoosh them together, and they give you the most likely people to sell right now. It's absolutely bananas. So you can go with zero budget. You can talk to the title company and get all of their tools and resources, but also supplement it with flipfinder.ai. It is a game changer. You use those two things and you have quality conversations with property owners every single day. You can't lose.
No, you can't.
You can't lose. You cannot lose. It's so exciting. Do it today. Stop messing around. Don't just put this in your mind. Don't just be watching this in the background or whatever else you're doing. Go and take massive and perfect action today. Woo!
That's all for this episode. Your next step to success is to continue the conversation over at wholesalinginc.com by joining the mailing list, as well as get your chance to book a strategy session to learn the systems and become part of the tribe and work personally with one of our amazing coaches. We'll see you next episode with more ways to make you a fortune in wholesaling.